Looking for an affordable home in Las Vegas at townhome prices? Well, you're gonna wanna stick around and check out our newest listing here, the hidden house at Aurora Canyon. So this listing is priced at $415,000, which is well below the median price here in Las Vegas. Perfect for those first-time home buyers or retirees. We're on the end of a cul-de-sac in a gated community with a community pool. And this property is one of a few single-family homes in a townhome community, so you get the townhome prices with a single-family home. Welcome to the hidden house at Aurora Canyon. This is a rare detached single-story home in a gated townhome community and is tucked at the end of a private cul-de-sac, all in the southwest of Las Vegas. With vaulted ceilings, a bright open layout, granite kitchen countertops with stainless steel appliances, this home checks all the boxes for comfort and convenience. You've got two spacious bedrooms, a primary suite with a soaking tub and walk-in shower, and a private backyard with no rear neighbors. All of this in a gated, all single-story community, and it's just minutes from downtown Summerlin and about 15 minutes from the Las Vegas Strip and Harry Reid International Airport. So that's the full tour of this cozy single-family home right here in a beautiful community at the end of a cul-de-sac. So if you want any more information on this property, just comment below, we'll reach out to you. And if you want to check out some of the other properties that we have, check out these videos right here. Thanks for watching, we'll see you on the next one.